Hey everyone, welcome to How To Experts, and in this video we'll show you how to activate a Lloyds Bank debit card. First off, open your desktop web browser. Next thing you'll want to do is head over to this URL right here. That's lloydsbank.com/credit-cards/activate.html. Once you're on this web page, click on the Activate Your Card Online tab. It's this middle tab right here. Once you've clicked on it, click on Select Activate Your Credit Card. On the next page, you'll have to enter some details, including your credit card number, your date of birth, and the expiry date of your card. Remember to fill in all details properly. Once you're done with that, click on Activate, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, and share.